Hey Audrey, what do you want to tell Gogo?
I love you.
What else do you want to tell her?
What's up?
What's up? Do you want to tell her happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Do you want to sing happy birthday to Gogo?
Go-go, go-go.
Do you want to sing happy birthday to Gogo? Come on, back over here. Sing happy birthday to Gogo.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. My couch.
It's your couch?
Yeah.
Can you tell Gogo that you miss her? Avery misses you too, Gogo. Hey Audrey, tell Gogo you miss her. Can you tell her you miss her? Hey Audrey, focus. You're focused on your bracelet, aren't you? Okay, bye-bye, Gogo. We love you and miss you.